Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a polymer clay Rubik's Cube. The materials you will need for this project are black polymer clay, a needle tool or paintbrush, and a straight edge. You will also need paint in the colors white, red, green, blue, orange, and yellow. You can also use rubbing alcohol to get rid of fingerprints. Start by rolling the black clay into a ball. To create the cube shape, pinch and flatten the sides of the clay. To get rid of fingerprints and dust, use some rubbing alcohol. Then take your straight edge and create a grid pattern by pressing it into the clay. Make sure you do this to all sides of your cube and then bake according to your package instructions. Once you've baked your clay, pick one side of the cube and use a needle tool or a paintbrush to paint white squares on each segment. For the red side of the Rubik's Cube, paint the squares on the side next to the white side. For the green side of the Rubik's Cube, make sure that you paint it so that it's next to the red side and the white side. Paint the blue side of the Rubik's Cube so that it's next to the white and red side and opposite from the green side. Paint the orange side of the Rubik's Cube so that it's next to the white, blue, and green side and opposite from the red side. For the yellow side of the Rubik's Cube, paint it so that it's next to the red, blue, orange, and green side, and opposite from the white side. You can also glaze it to make sure that the paint doesn't scratch off, but other than that, you're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This video was also a collaboration with the Red Fire Ninja. If you like Rubik's Cubes, then you should definitely go and check out his channel. Stuff to show you.